Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Binance wallet. First, you will need to create an account. Begin by visiting the official Binance website or downloading their mobile application. You can register using your email address or mobile phone number. Remember to create a strong, unique password to protect your account. Finally, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy to proceed with your registration. This initial step is quick and straightforward. Next, it is crucial to complete identity verification, also known as KYC. This process helps secure your account and comply with regulations. Go to the identity verification section in your profile. You will need to provide personal details, including your full name and date of birth. Then, upload a clear photo of your government-issued identification. Finally, complete a quick facial verification using your device's camera. This step usually takes only a few minutes. Securing your Binance wallet is paramount. Start by enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for robust protection. You can choose between Google Authenticator or SMS verification for this crucial step. Additionally, set up an anti-phishing code. This helps you identify legitimate emails from Binance and prevents malicious attacks. Always remember to regularly review your account activity and security settings to maintain a high level of safety for your digital assets. Stay vigilant. With your account set up and secured, you are ready to fund and use your Binance wallet. You can deposit cryptocurrency or fiat currency using various methods, such as a bank transfer or a debit card. Once funded, you can explore a wide range of trading pairs and investment opportunities available on the platform. When you need to access your funds, you can securely withdraw them. Enjoy the world of digital assets with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.